If you're starting from zero, this is exactly how I made my first $1,000 online. No experience, no confusion, just a simple plan. I'm not going to give you 50 ideas, just a few to get you started. One clear path you can actually follow. Here's the blueprint. Step 1, pick one simple skill. Start with one simple skill, not everything. Something people already need. Basic design, writing, video editing, even posting content for businesses. You don't need to be perfect, just useful. Step 2, learn just enough. Don't spend months learning. Spend a few days understanding the basics and start. Step 3, offer simple service. Package it simply, not complicated. I will design 3 posts for you. I will edit 1 video, make it easy to understand and easy to buy. Step 4, find people. Go where people already are. Instagram scrolling, WhatsApp chats, small businesses, creators online. Don't wait for them to find you. Reach out. Step 5, first payment. Your first goal is not $1,000. It's your first $10, $20, $50. That moment changes everything. Step 6, repeat and improve. Once it works, do it again. Improve a little each time. That's how you grow. Step 7, scale to $1,000. $1,000 is not magic. It's just small amounts repeated. You don't need luck. You need a simple plan and consistency. Start small and keep going. If you want, I can break down each step in more detail.